Sir. Sir, konti lang.
Hi, Sen.
Sen.
Good morning, Senator.
Nagpag.
Yes,
Sir, so ICI requested you to shed light on what, sir?
Yeah, we received a letter of invitation asking that we shed light on the Senate procedures, on the budget, and how it's possible that there are individual amendments, institutional amendments, or insertions.
Okay.
More or less, that's the context of what we will be discussing.
Sir, anong basa niyo in terms of maybe the strategy of the ICI? Paano ba
They want to be enlightened on how this process is being done before and is being done now, and perhaps how to look at it at the investigative perspective.
Pag sir yung ganyan yung tanong ng ICI, do you think they will go for the mga proponents of the flood control in the future? I mean, in terms of maybe exacting accountability? Pag ganyan na yung tinitingnan nila, sir?
Yeah, it depends on the evidence that they will gather or we will gather and will turn over to them. In my case, ang i-testify ko lang, testifikan doon, doses tecum actually, yung dalawang privilege speeches ko and all the attachments. Yun lang yung sa akin. Iba yung sa kanya, iba yung sa akin.
Sir, yun pong kay Bryce na nakuha ng mga evidence na yesterday?
This weekend.
Will you be
Saturday.
Saturday. Will you be turning it over or kayo
Yes,
ng
of course. Basta merong evidentiary value, kami in aid of legislation primarily. No?
Okay.
Basta merong value na maging evidence, definitely turn over namin sa ICI. So ang role namin is to complement yung ICI, na kung ano yung kailangan nila para ma-expedite yung pagpapile nilang case, mag-recommend sila. Susuportahan namin sila in terms of whatever pieces of evidence na mag-gather.
So,
Pero naaral nyo na rin yun, sir? Yung
hindi pa namin
na
na-unseal. Nagkaroon ng konting glitch kasi naiwan yung computer.
Oh.
But naka-sealed naman yun.
Laptop to, sir? Or
No, computer mismo.
Containing
Yeah.
Containing one.
Wala, hindi pa namin alam. So ngayon, we're discussing with the lawyer and Bryce himself kung pwedeng balikan para i-retrieve. Kasi kung ibang agency ang kukuha doon, either i-search warrant nila yon or isupinan nila si Bryce Hernandez na doses tecum. So it will be a longer process. Whereas kung Senate ang kukuha nun, kasi it was upon the request of Bryce Hernandez that we allowed him to go there to retrieve whatever documents or materials na kaya niya retrieve.
So first crack po kayo before you turn it over to the ICI?
It doesn't matter kung sino may first crack. Importante, may magamit doon para ma-prosecute yung dapat i-prosecute.
Sir, kailan ang unboxing niyo? Kailan ang unboxing?
Once na makumpleto lahat yung naka-sealed. Kasi merong proseso, may procedure eh. We want to preserve the integrity of the evidence by preserving the chain of custody. Kasi pwedeng ma-technical knockout yan sa court if ever it gets there, nasabihin na polluted na yung ebidensya. So we need to be very careful in preserving the chain of custody.
So your reaction to the public's outcry yesterday in terms of the job that you're doing in the ICI? So,
well, it's only part of democracy. People want to be heard. Okay lang yun. Dapat meron talagang ganun.
But does it put us more pressure? Does it put more pressure on you and the ICI to be serious about the investigation?
Those are pressure points, actually. Kasi laganap eh. Kaya nga napag-usapan namin ni Senate President, we want to go as far as, reaching the original scene. And the original scene is Congress. Kung wala nag-insert, walang paglalaroan yung mga district engineering offices eh.
Both chambers.
So we're mulling on the idea na mag-usap yung House at saka yung Senate. Mag-self-restraint na kami. Huwag kami mag-insert, especially sa mga local infrastructure projects na nasa level ng DEO. Kasi parang we're supplying them the resources to commit, corruption. Yeah.
Sir, yung Infracom, ang sabi ni Speaker D, i-turn over na sa ICI. Yung sa inyo, sir, iba naman yung nature nyo.
Yeah, kami naman as obtained, turn over naman namin para makatulong kami.
Sir,
okay.
thank you for your
Sir,
time.
Si Mayor po, sir, meeting po din kayo with DOJ.
With DOJ, sir.
Kanina.
Kumusta po, sir?
Ano